This is me on my way to class. It looks simple from the outside. Just a car ride, a door opening, a short walk into a building. But for me, this moment represents a decision to start something new, a decision to be a beginner again, a decision to feel uncomfortable on purpose. I chose to start learning Japanese not because I had to, but because I wanted to challenge myself, to train my mind, to prove to myself that I can still learn, still grow, and still become someone better than yesterday. Right now, I don't understand much. The characters look complex. The sounds feel unfamiliar. Sometimes my brain wants to quit before I even start, but I show up anyway because I learned something important. Real progress doesn't feel exciting at the beginning. It feels slow, it feels awkward, it feels invisible. No one claps when you sit in a classroom. No one sees the effort behind trying to pronounce a word correctly. No one notices the small frustration, the mental fatigue, and the tiny wins. But that's where growth is built, quietly, consistently, in moments like this. So I'm documenting this journey, not to impress anyone, but to remember that this is how change actually happens. One step into a classroom, one lesson at a time, one version closer to who I want to become. This is the part where things start to feel real. All these characters, they don't look familiar yet. They don't look easy. And honestly, at first they all look the same. Every symbol on this board represents a new sound, a new meaning, a new way of thinking. And right now my brain is trying to connect all the dots. It's slow, it's messy, sometimes it's frustrating. But this is exactly what learning feels like. Not understanding, then slowly understanding a little bit more. This board is not just full of characters, it's full of future progress, future conversations, future confidence. This is the pause between lessons. Not a stop, just a breath, where everything I just learned starts to settle in. What is going on, guys? So, I'm learning another language. I'm learning Japanese. You can see I have here all these characters. So, definitely, this is a language that it's important to be persistent, to have the discipline. Check this out, with images and all the stuff here. So this is a language, guys, that it's hard to understand. You know why? But the most important thing here is to be persistent, and I'm going to keep practicing and studying because I want to have a conversational level in this language. So I'm going to keep recording and document my journey about this language. Maybe in the future, maybe I can record a video in Japanese. So I'm gonna keep you posted. Talk to you soon. This is me leaving class, not walking but moving forward anyway. Another day of showing up, another day of choosing discipline over comfort, because motivation comes and goes, but persistence is what actually builds progress. Some days feels easy, some days feel heavy, some days feel slow, but I keep driving back here. I keep choosing to continue. I keep choosing the long-term version of myself over the short-term comfort of quitting. That's what discipline looks like. Not dramatic, not loud, just consistent.